如果您和我们一样是自由行来到阿姆斯特丹，又想充分地了解这个城市的历史和文化，那最好的方式就是找一个当地的导游。这街边到处这样3个叉的旗帜，根据导游给我们的介绍，那它代表的是这个城市的官方座右铭：勇气、决心和仁慈。他们也可能指这座城市面临的3大威胁：水、火和瘟疫。这座灯红酒绿而闻名的城市，也处处透露着荷兰黄金时代那优美壮丽的气息，外加历史悠久的运河，非常值得游览。
But don't be fooled, because this equality that all happened, how it completely fell apart, and why nobody here has ever heard about it. Yeah, it's also important for some reason. We're still gonna go to modern times, and we're gonna discuss the juicy topics. Don't worry, the red light district and the coffee shops. We're gonna get to that, and we're also gonna touch on World War II and the Jewish quarter. So as I said, there's a lot to go over, but don't worry, right? That's why I'm here, to make it as entertaining as possible for y'all. But for that, I have 2 rules for today. Yeah, I want you guys to follow. Page, this building on the water. Here on both sides is when Amsterdam started 750 years. Now to explain how that will happen, I'm going to just go through the 3 names we have here in the country: Netherlands, Holland, Amsterdam. Let's start with the first one. Who can tell me what the word Netherlands means? Neverland? No, that's Peter Pan. Yeah? But nether, what is nether? Under, right? So Netherlands literally means this place is called the Low Countries, right? And it's called the Low Country because half the area here is below sea level, right? Now, here's the first quiz of the day. On average, how many meters below sea level are we? Didn't like them so much. There was no alternative.
这里有不少的中餐馆。
Chinatown is a side street. The main in the late 1400s, this was built to be one of Amsterdam's 3 city gates. Yeah. In the past 500 years ago, this used to be one of Amsterdam's 3 city gates. When Amsterdam was a small city with some wall around it, there were only 4 ways to go in and out. This specific gate would lead you outside into Amsterdam's historical port. Did anyone here see a port, by the way? Because it doesn't exist anymore. What used to be water today is land. The port used to be right over there. The ships would come very much close to here, unload their goods, all the big crates, and bring them into the city through this gate, which is why the gate was also a toll house.
猜猜这座
They
眼
would weigh
前
all the
倾
crates
斜的
down,
房
they
子，
would tax them, and
现
then
在有
bring them
多少
into the
价？
city. And then put
据
them
说
in
有
the
几
building.
个 million 了。房价也是高的离谱。 姆斯特丹从13世纪的一个渔村，在17世纪荷兰黄金时代发展成为地球上最富有和最强大的城市之一。
Wondering how much we walked?
这是房屋底下有一个石头的锁 locker， 这到底是干什么用的？我没听懂。
They say that because see this? The metal thing. This long one is just to lock it.
如果有可能，真的建议至少在这里停留5天，第3、4天可以乘火车去旁边的城市鹿特丹、海牙等等。